all, I am Shrida.
I am Sahasra.
And I am Anal.
The creators of Irrigation Master, a game that has been designed to gamify topics such as crop management and resource management to enable students to understand the importance of these topics and provide real-life scenarios. These topics are descriptive and traditional teaching methods that are used to deliver the content. Students often find it boring, and gamification helps making these topics engaging.
Game components. 10 phase dice. These dice represent different irrigation symbols and determine your actions. Hexagonal land tiles. 60 tiles where you grow crops and apply irrigation techniques. Yield coins. Track your success in growing crops.
Objective cards. Introduce different irrigation methods and challenges. 3D printed farmers. Represent your team on the farm.
Game rules. Setup. Each player starts with 30 yield coins. Shuffle the objective cards and place the land tiles. Number 2. Gameplay. Players take turns rolling dice. The dice may result in placing tiles,
Earning coins for efficient irrigation or drawing an objective card for a new irrigation system.
How dice roll works. Water conservation practice 1 to 4. Earn a yield point for placing an efficient irrigation tile. Improper practice 5 to 8. Place a tile but no yield coin is awarded.
objective cards. Objective cards represent different irrigation systems. When drawn, players must apply the system and choose crops that will thrive in it. The challenge. Your opponent must also pick crops that fit in the irrigation system you've chosen. Each player will be given with a sheet containing crops and the suitable irrigation system respectively.
For example, sprinkle system works for crops like corn. Your opponent should pick up crops that can handle sprinkle irrigation. Earn 2 yield coins for this method. Each irrigation system has a different point value based on how efficient it is. Advanced irrigation methods like drip irrigation and subsurface drip irrigation earn 3 yield coins because they conserve water and promote efficient crop growth.
Irrigation system like flood irrigation might yield only 1 yield coin due to inefficient in water usage. Winning the game. The first player to collect 30 yield coins wins.
Through interactive gameplay, players develop an understanding of the importance of efficient irrigation for sustainable agriculture.
Thank you.